sit near the door like I always do. He used to come early and smile when he saw me, but now it's always late. The house gets quiet and I keep waiting. I hear every sound thinking maybe it's him, but it's never him. Not yet. So I lie down, but I don't sleep because I don't want to miss when he finally comes home. And when he does, I wag my tail like he wasn't late at all because waiting for my cue